So here I have a pack of frozen young green coconut that I've thawed out. It comes with 4 of these little packets in each. I'm going to be using all 4 packets. I've added them to a blender along with about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 4 tablespoons of agave and about a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that's optional. And I also put in about half a cup of spring water. And this is what the mixture looks like. I let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and this is what it looks like. And it actually is starting to thicken. The longer it sits, it'll get more thick. You don't want to add too much water or it will turn into a coconut milk. You want it to be a coconut cream. So these are some vanilla wafers that I cooked, and I'll put a link for the video on how to make these in the description box below. And I've just added those to a food processor and blended those up into cookie crumbs. I actually blended them a little more so they were finer and smaller than they look in the video. I also made some aquafaba. I'll put a link to how to make this as well as some caramel, and I'll also put a link in the description box for this. And so after I've had all my ingredients together, now it's time to assemble the parfait. So what I've done is put 2 teaspoons of the chopped cookies, the cookie crumbs. I put 3 sliced Burro Bananas, and on top of that I added the 2 teaspoons of the coconut cream. And I'm just going to continue to layer that until I get to the top, and you want to finish off with your crumbled cookies for your top layer, and it's going to look like this when you're finished. And I decided to add a few bananas and a little bit of caramel sauce to the top. This is optional. This is just something that I decided to do at the last minute. It's not something that you have to do. You can omit this step and just go on to add your whipped aquafaba or your whipped cream. So I just wanted to put a little bit of banana and caramel on top before adding the whipped cream. And last, I added the whipped cream with some caramel and some cookie crumbs on top. And there you have it.